Hi, this is the JVC True Wireless Earbuds HA-A3T, also known as the HA-A3TB. They are a budget-friendly option that offer good sound quality, a comfortable fit, and a long battery life. They are not the most feature-rich earbuds on the market, but they are a good value for the price. These earbuds have a design with an all-black color scheme. They do have white ones too. If you didn't know, JVC has a long history of making budget-friendly earbuds. I will go over how to pair and use these earbuds, but have a quick look at the manual and you can pause the video at any time. Basically charge them for 3 hours at first, putting them in the proper charging slots, and how to use them, which I will go over in this video. The case has a smooth matte finish, a small rectangular clamshell design, opens and closes with satisfying snap, just like many other earbuds cases. They do have very glossy finish. It could be an aesthetic choice or production cost, who knows? You could see that they label the model number and which one is left, which one is right. They also have IPX4 for water resistant printed, which means they can handle rain, sweat, and accidental splashes. Now let's compare the sizes of these earbuds to Apple's AirPods Gen 3 and Gen 2. And you could see the JVC earbud here is close to the size of the Gen 3 AirPod. However, the profile of the JVC one is a bit thicker, so it would stick out of your ear a bit more. The stems on both seem to be about the same length. Now, comparing to the Gen 2 AirPods. I'm sure this design has influenced countless competitors, so very popular as you know. Here you could really see that the JVC earbud is larger than the Gen 2 AirPod, but shorter in the stem though. As you know, the white one on the left has never been made in black color yet. No matter, the design has solidified Apple's dominance in the wireless earbuds market. Now moving on to the pairing process. Now this is for my iPhone, but I am sure it's similar for the Android phones. What you should do is to put them back in the case first. Snap close the case lid. Oh, before pairing, I'd like to show you that this has the USB-C charging port. Very nice. Universally nice. And have a look at how they look in the case. Okay, now let's start the pairing process. Make sure you're in Bluetooth settings. All you have to do is open the lid and take them out and wait. There you can see under other devices, the JVC HA-A3T is detected. Just go ahead and select it. If they're in your ears, you should hear power on and the word connected. And there, they're paired. Once you're done listening to music or whatever, you just have to put them back into the case and it would automatically unpaired or turn off and start charging in the case, as you can see. When you pull them out, I think the first thing it would say is power on. And then it would say connected. Now let's move on to see how to operate them when listening to music. You tap once to play or pause. It could be on either earbuds. Let's see that again. When you double tap the left earbud, it would decrease the volume. Normally, they're quite responsive as long as they're in your ears. However, when demoing it off ear, it's not that easy. Again, double tap to decrease the volume. Triple tap to increase the volume. Double tap to decrease the volume. Triple increase. I'm sure you get the point. Now moving on to the right earbud. You could still play or pause with one tap as mentioned. To skip to the next song, you double tap. Again, to the next song, double tap. To go back to a song, you triple tap. If it played already a couple of seconds and you triple tap it, it would go back to the beginning of that song. I believe you get the point. Okay, that's all I got. Thank you for watching. Do come back for the next video.